Om Tat Sat. My humble prostrations to the all-pervading Brahman, to my worshipful Guruji, Swami Jyotirmayananji Maharaj, to all the sages and saints of this world, and to you divine souls watching today's satsang. Today we will be studying Sutra number 46 of the Samadhipad from the Yoga Sutras of Patanjali. Commentary by Swami Jyotirmayananda ji and narrated by myself, Swami Nikhilananda. So the sutra is Ta eva sabijah samadhihi. Again, Ta eva sabijah samadhihi. Ta eva means these together. Sabijah, bij means a seed. So with seed, samadhihi, super conscious state. So the meaning of this sutra, these together constitute samadhi with seed. So in the previous sutras which we have already covered, we talked about total of 6 states that we have that are in the seed form. They are samadhi, but yet they have the seed. And just to repeat very briefly, those are savitarka samadhi with logic, nirvitarka without logic, savichara with thoughts, nirvichara where the thoughts subside, and sananda samadhi with anand, which means the blissful state, and the 6th one is Sasmita Samadhi, or the one where the Chitta exists with ego. So these 6 are called Sampragyata Samadhi. Even so, all these 6 samadhis are the lower state, and they need a support or basis in the form of gross, subtle, subtler, and subtlest plane of existence. So as you increasingly expand your consciousness, you go deeper into yoga sadhana, into the states of samadhi. So therefore you are going from gross to subtler to subtler to subtlest. Since they do not terminate the seed of the world process, they are known as sabija. So Patanjali Maharaj, with his infinite wisdom, is guiding us that is not yet the state of enlightenment or a senior's advanced aspirant. Although we are highly evolving, but the journey is still to continue, because the seed is still in the seed state, can germinate at any moment, which means our prior sanskaras can come back if we don't go from sabij to nirbij. So in this case, these 6 samadhis are with seed, or they still have the support. Kaivalya, that is liberation, is attained by asampragyata samadhi, or the highest samadhi, which is also called niralamba, which means it does not have any support. That samadhi is the one that is the ultimate, which will take us to self-realization. It is also called nirbij samadhi. As we said, bij is a seed. Nirbij means there is no more seed needed for us to prosper, grow in the realm of advanced states of samadhi. So the glorious experiences on the ascending heights of samadhi are briefly outlined. So we will discuss more of those states in the Sutra number 47 and beyond. So Samadhipad has a total of 51 sutras. We are already on Sutra number 46. So for those of you who have been following this as a class almost, and you are advancing and learning, please know that we are almost getting to the concluding stage of the Samadhipad, and the next chapter will be Sadhanapad, which is which will apply almost universally to most people in today's environment, because like I said, Samadhi path is for advanced sadhaks, those who have already brought a lot of spiritual wealth with them from many lives and maybe already at higher states of consciousness, and therefore these sutras are helping them evolve even further and grow. But I will patiently, lovingly, compassionately take you through each of these sutras. All I ask is for your dedication, faith, and unflinching effort and support and determination within yourself. This journey is holy, therefore it's not just intellectual. You have to build your faith like lighting a candle, and therefore you will continue to grow with that faith. Om Tat Sat.